Hi, in this demo, we will see how to integrate PowerProtect Backup Services with PowerProtect Multi-System Reporting. Starting with version 19.22, MSR supports integration with PowerProtect Backup Services for monitoring and reporting of the enterprise workloads and Microsoft 365 backups. For this demo, I have MSR system with version 19.22. We will now proceed on how to integrate the PowerProtect Backup Services with MSR. Switching to DPS MSM user, the DPS MSM system help command provides the example command on how to add the PowerProtect backup services with MSR. PowerProtect backup services can be integrated with MSR using the host name, the client ID, and the secret key. For this demo, I have already integrated the PowerProtect backup services with MSR system. So here we can see the PowerProtect backup services has been added as a system with MSR. We will now proceed to start an on-demand collection for all the systems. The on-demand collection for all the system has been initiated. Let's navigate to the Grafana dashboard to visualize the collected data. Starting with version 19.22, the global dashboard shows the overall status of the cyber resilient systems like Data Manager Appliance, and PowerProtect Backup Services, which are integrated with MSR. The solution also comprises of individual dashboard for the overall status of Data Manager and Data Manager appliances, an individual dashboard for the PowerProtect Backup Services enterprise workloads, also an individual dashboard for the PowerProtect Backup Services M365 backups. The alerts widget on the global dashboard are interactive. By clicking on the critical or warnings icon, it will redirect to the respective alerts or warnings page. For more details on this topic, refer the Multi-System Reporting user guide. Thanks for watching.